This is Abron Polarimeter, Laurent and half shade. This is a half shade which works on the white light. I'm using on the white light, but if you have the white quartz, you use the on the sodium vapor lamp and transformer. So the parts are, this is the eyepiece for observation, scale 360 degree. There is a vernier here, and you can rotate the vernier by locking this screw, and then it moves slowly with this. It moves, the vernier moves. You can see this is moving for fine tuning. This is for observation. The light is coming here. You can see the book shows the white light coming from this side, then tube, polarimeter, analyzer is there, and you observe this. Now what we do, let me first of all understand. See, this is half dark and half dark and half white. Now for starting the reading, we take it to the full white reading. We are changing it to the full white. See this slowly. Yeah, now this is almost, you cannot differentiate right and left. So the reading is, first reading is this, approximately 3400 is the reading. So now I start moving the scale to the other side, and see that this is becoming slowly dark and dark. Half part it is dark. See this. Now it is completely dark. Now move more. See this. Full dark is there. You cannot observe anything on the other side. Now slowly I am moving it to the again whiter side. See, this is become white, pure white. Right. This is the reading for 25 point something. You can see the vernier. As per your books, you can study. And these two readings. Now I have to fill the tube. This is a tube which I have already prepared, which is with the bulb, definitely, to just show you what to do with the bulb. Otherwise, you can fill it to the top. You can open the top. There is a glass, and there is a washer for stopping the liquid. You can fill it, the solution. You can take the 8 gram of sugar, dissolve it in 100 ml, it becomes 8 normal. And then put this, see this bulb is having the air bubble inside. I am now putting this inside. So the bubble is not on one side. See, this is now, the bubble is visible. You see this bubble has come to the center. It should be in center. It should not be on one side, this side or that side, otherwise the reading will not be. I am just showing the bigger bubble for the sake of demonstration only. Then close the chamber. Again I start with the reading. I take to the other side, say approximately here. We will see where we get the first full white and dark. We are moving it on the darker side. See this again. Now slowly I make it both the sides white. Now this is the white. You cannot distinguish the line. I am making a reading 3 points. It is 290, 291, and I now move it so that it is dark is visible. See this, half dark is starting. Keep moving, and see this is dark is there. It's a full dark will be there. You cannot see. Now again I am moving it to make it whiter on the same direction. In the same way I am moving it on the other side so that the white is there. See this. Now this is white, black and no, so that it has to, reading has to be on the back side. This is where both the are white. You cannot see. So the reading is 226 now. Earlier it was 25, now it is 26 and 27. So the vernier readings and other things you can study as per your books. So the thing is, this is the polarimeter setup. You can see this book is telling you everything. It tells you what are the parts, all these parts, and procedure, how to make a solution, what the bubble should not be there, how to rotate it, and then full white reading, first reading full white, and dark, and this can be on the right side or this can be on the left side, and then again full white. So this reading is between, then you take the average. Similarly for the sugar solution, You fill the solution and then take the similar readings again. What is the difference between the two? Then you can prepare how to prepare. Take the 8 grams or 5 grams. You can make a solution in 100 ml, and concentration of solution per gram per cc per kg. Then length of the polarimeter is 200 mm. Room temperature you can check with the thermometer, and then these readings are one on the clockwise, one on the anti-clockwise. Once you go like this, second you turn this. First you go the reading from here. I am taking it from here to the right side. Then second reading I have to take it from the other side. But here it will be full white. Here approximately on the 0 degree it will be half dark, half white on this side. Or you can take the other way also. You can take the reading from this side. It can be 0 but difficult to read. Then you have to read it from the bottom. So it is white and dark, white on both side white, and here it will be both side white. So one clockwise, one anti-clockwise. So very easy to use. Experiments. There are other models also of our phone. You can plot a graph. You can see the viva and understand the different readings and calculations as per your books also, or as per the books provided by us. Some papers we provide. We have the research model also where sodium epilempit is also built in. Please visit the website and send us an email on abron01@gmail.com. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.